Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Pulling out of that KOA on the road in our Chevrolet. Turn right at the Texaco, then anywhere we wanna go. I know I'm gonna get there next to you. And baby, I know wherever we go, got the wind at our backs and the sun coming through our windows, burning down the tread on four wheels. High on life and loving you, we can do whatever we want to. Finally as free as we feel. And I'll go down this road if you steer. Forget the map, all the rules, everything you learned in school. Drive under a Texas sky, a slow road gets us there in time. I know I'll find my way if I'm with you. And baby, I know wherever we go, got the wind at our backs and the sun coming through our windows, burning down the tread on four wheels. High on life and loving you, we can do whatever we want to. Finally as free as we feel. I'll go down this road if you steer. Pulling out of that KOA on the road in our Chevrolet. Turn right at the Texaco, then anywhere we wanna go. I know I'm gonna get there next to you.
You wanna live in a world with no more dying. You're counting up the cards, what are you trying to gain? I was on the outside avenue, I was looking at you, dear. as the minutes turn to hours, turn to days. And it's a shame. Ain't it a shame now? It's a shame. Ain't it a shame? Now I wanna sign up for every kind of rebirth. Atomize my essence down to black earth and rain. Blow away into the night 1,000 tiny points of light. Ain't it hard to watch another evening slip away? It's a shame. Ain't it a shame now? It's a shame. Ain't it a shame? And did you know that you were playing with the sharp edge of a knife? It seems like everyone is praying for eternal life. Far away in the burning hills of Zion, betting on an afterlife to try on today. Fear guides the hand of a broken down young man, and we all need a piece of land to die on, they say, but it's a shame. Ain't it a shame now? It's a shame. Ain't it a shame? So you wanna live in a world with no more dying? Maybe I've been trying, only trying just to say, did you know that you were